Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how you can create a Viber account. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Viber application that you have downloaded. You are currently at the homepage of Viber. So here you need to tap on Start Now. To sign up, you need to provide the phone number of yours. Before that, you need to choose the country code. Tap on the drop-down menu. And then you choose your country code over here, and then below you need to provide the phone number. Type in your phone number and then tap on continue. Is this your phone number? If the phone number that you have provided is correct, you need to tap on yes. A code will be sent to the number you have provided. You need to copy that code and paste it. There you can see the code has been auto-filled in my case. You just need to copy that code and paste it on the text box. Now here you need to provide the full name. Below, type in the date of birth. Tap on OK. Now type in the email address. Tap on the tick mark. And with that, you have created yourself an account. They have sent you a verification email to confirm your email address as well. So to verify, you need to go check your mail. There's the Viber mail. Tap upon that. Then here you need to tap on confirm email. And there your email is verified. So go back to Viber. With that, you have successfully created yourself a Viber account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.